What we have here is an '05 Chevy Cobalt. The battery was acting up. Took it in, got it checked out. Sure enough, the battery was dying or no good. Replaced the battery. Everything was fine. A day later, my girlfriend's driving and the car just dies on her, she says. She had enough momentum to pull into a driveway. Long story short, it won't restart. This is what happens when you put the key in. You get a text message. No. You put the key in, turn it, all your regular lights come on, they go out. You got the security car with a padlock going through the front window. Your seatbelt light comes on. Turn the ignition, nothing. Now, underneath the dash, you have a click, which is normal. Relays, whatever. Door ajar comes on, of course, because the door is open. Power steering blinks. And I think low fuel. Oh, just door ajar. Anyway, trying to start it several times. Nothing. Peculiar to say the least. But the air conditioning blower will come on. That works. The dome light will not. The window will not roll all the way up or down. And the hazard lights flash within the vehicle, but not outside the vehicle. Also, if I jump the starter via the solenoid or solenoid, however you prefer, the engine will turn over, but it will not start. So I've deduced that the starter and the solenoid are okay. The battery's got juice. I checked it. I got it all the way in park. I've tried all the tricks on the internet that they said try. It's just not turning over. So any advice, recommendation, something. All the relays are good too. We checked all of those out. It's as though the security features has acted up. Now, we don't have the press to lock, unlock, whatever they call it, fob. Just got this key, and yes, it is the one with the plus sign with the circle on it, for whatever it's worth. So if someone could help or has any advice, it'd be greatly appreciated. Just leave me a comment in the comment section below. Hell, call me directly. Whatever. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please help.